Oh my god. Yeah, I know how to play Beast Swarm. I think I have. Oh, right. Okay. Claim my hive. Just give me all unclaimed badges. This is fine. Pretty sure everybody is being annoyed right now. This is great. I'll just do that for you. Give me all the bee eggs. Oh! This is... Nectar tester. Okay, it's over. What? Oh, of course, playtime bench. No one cares about that. What is all this stuff? Turpentine. Infinite turpentine. Mythic eggs. I'm gonna do star eggs. Have to. Yup. I just had a really stupid idea. Until mythic. Does this actually work? No. Let's turn this off. Okay. This is really stupid. Okay, come on. I'm trying to do everything. Gifted, basic bee. Best bee in the game. I'm the best. Oh wait, don't I have the... Oh, I have every single bee in the game. What am I doing? Let me get... I want to get... Okay. Just take that. I'll just take that. I'll also take a plain bee, because why not? Well, let's go spicy bee. And just because, tadpole bee. Now I'm gonna take bear bee. Gummy bee, yes. Photon bee, I also need this. Tabby bee, exactly what I need. Vicious bee. Windy bee, yes, very true. And you know what, forget it, I'll just get all of them. There's a puppy bee. And then festive bee. Crimson bee. And copal bee. That's all of them, right? Yeah. I'll just take all this. Jesus Christ. How do I... Man, I'm really slow right now. Ooh, stuff. Ah, yes, make everything get... Oh, yes, give me all buffs. Tabby B. I would gladly make everything level 20 and stuff. Yo! Thing is, what hive do I want to be? I could be a white hive, get gummy baller, blue hive, tide popper, red hive, the scythe. I don't know. Let me grab this stuff. What is this? Are these bee quips? Test or metal boost. Whole 24 hours. I'll take this. Replace. Equip man. Take everything. The supreme end. Wait, did I get the diet? Yes, 300. Perfect. Let me see. I'll take more convert ray, yeah. One amulet can make anything better. Ooh, better. That's even better. I'll keep it. And then this one. No, stop. Ah, whatever. Supreme Star Amulet. Just give me something. Oh, wait. Is this test room like goes? Oh, does it like respawn or something? Alright, just because I'm gonna do red hive. So I need a lot of precise bees. I'll half precise, half spicy. This is great. And then the middle is all my red bees. This is great. And they're all level 22, so. And then I'm gonna need all the extra hive slots. Alright, come on, hurry up. Yeah. And the middle, I'm gonna have bear bee. Where is? Oh, gummy bee's already in the middle. Okay, whatever. Photon bee as well. Tabby bee, clearly. And then a vicious bee. Yeah, you know what? I'll add bear bee later. Give me windy bee. There we go. Alright, I gotta go buy stuff. I already have 25 bees, so I'm gonna just weed. I never thought I'd be able to get it to the test room. Okay, just because I'm gonna buy all this. Except for that. Go that. Oh yeah, I forgot I had infinite of everything. Okay. Oh, is it not equipped? I didn't buy it! Okay, I got everything. Perfect. I'll take these extra tickets even though I took a single ticket. Okay. To the bad shop. We're gonna get all this best stuff. You forget the quests. We don't need them. Actually, you know what? Just because I'm gonna buy every single sprinkler. Alright. Can I get the sprinkler set real quick? Actually, where I gotta find it first. Wait, it's at the top. Okay. Take a free star jelly, even though I basically only have infinite of those. Grab all this stuff. Very nice, very nice. I look very elite. Yeah. Okay. Now, what else do I need? Jesus Christ, look at all these stats. Okay, I even have all the extra game passes. What are these? I am God. Oh wait, I could just grab any of these? Gummy baller. I don't think I can even make honey. SSA. Give me like I don't remember which one it is. It gives us some wait. I forgot. Wait, no, that's not it. Scorching Star. That's like the only one I remember. Oh, I didn't buy the 5 slots. I'm stupid. Back to the song. There is no way I'm gonna convert any of this. Just spam it. It's gonna take a while. It's very laggy. Mainly because of all this stuff. Oh my god, I just realized all the honey I had. Okay, purchased. That means we're done. Okay, go down. We are just going down. Now. Come on. We're gonna put all the event bees in the middle. Festive bee. Who goes there? Why did I... Was that a cat knocking on my door? Don't ask how a cat can knock at my door. Is that all of them? No. Perfect. That's nice. Alright, spicy bees. We need spicy bees and everything. I never thought I'd be able to make it into this. But you know what? Stuff can happen. Jesus. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Just so I can get to the top. Because I don't feel like looking up. Come on. Come on. Yeah. No, come on. Get up the top. Wait, did I not? Oh, it's just so laggy. That's why it's all weird, because it's lagging. Okay. Jesus. I'm gonna go Red Hive, mainly just because, I don't know, Red Hive. White hives are, yeah. And I don't know, blue hives are blue hives. Okay, there we go, we're done. There, make everything level 20. That looks nice. I've never had this look nice before. And then I got all the badges. I got all the eggs. I made it again. Alright. Ooh, nice. Stuff I don't need. Stuff I'm never gonna need again. And since I have enough oh hey, Beastmas. Just because I can buy this stuff now. Wait, why am I buying this stuff? I have the red scythe. Okay. Alright, well I got the pedal belt just okay, sure. Yeah. And then wait, I have to kill this guy. Forgot. I forgot I had to kill him just to get the stuff. Oh my god. Hold on, let me go get the red scythe or dark scythe. There we go. Actually, what I do want to do... What? Oh, shoot. Don't want to touch that. Where are my gumdrops? I'm not... Okay, there we go. I was about to say, what is this? I was almost about to touch it, but that's a full reset. No. And about full reset, you better not mean in both games, because I'm about to freak out. I already own a gun. Alright, come on. There we go. I want... There, make that. Make that. Don't need this. I already have it. Look at me! I am epic poggers. I have to kill myself. This music sucks. Okay, well, whatever. Now I am best. Is there anything else I need? Because, I don't know, I've never been this far in the game. Ever. Jesus Christ, that looks so nice. That looks satisfying for some reason. Ugh! Okay. I got all the Beastmas stuff. Now, I want to get the freaking backpack, but I have to kill Nerd over here. Are y'all here? Yeah, sure, we'll go with a yes. Kill Big Crab. Oh, yeah, I forgot all that. Oh, wow, look at that. That's nice. Oh, Jesus! Now do damage. I've done this before. By a game. I'm collecting these. Oh! Oh, okay. Yeah. Yup. Sure. Nice. I am not gonna get in there. So, what is this? Okay, cool. Well, I'm not gonna get in there because I suck. Is there anything else I can get? Alright, whatever. We're going over here. What is this? Robo passes. Okay, Robo challenge. Renegade testing. There was an accepted to change. Additional uses. Yeah, okay. Spend Robo pass. Alright, start. What? Collect. I'll just... Actually, you know what? We'll make a... wait. Choose a bee. I want precise bee. Spicy bee. Precise bee. Okay. Okay. Let's just go. So we have to make 100,000 honey. Let's just do it in this field because it's a red field. We're gonna start right here. Well, we make honey by using doing stuff. So. Okay, so I don't get any bees. I have to choose my bees. It's done. Oh. Sure. Okay. Oh, I did it. Challenge score for these. Can I just craft these? I crafted one. Okay. So, oh, throw for all 4 different types of pollen. Oh, I can do that. Yeah, that's easy. Give me more. Let me talk to you. It's probably really just laggy. I like Epic right now. What? Oh, wait. One thing I should do. Because I am Red Hive. Let's go over here. I'm only doing this just because we're gonna go make Demon Mask. Because I know I have the materials. I have everything in this game. Should have crafted this earlier. Give. I like poggers. Gummy boots is like the best boots in the game right now. So we're gonna just keep it with that. Why do I only have like 31? I don't know, maybe that's as much as you can get. I want to see how easily I can do quests, so I'm gonna do a black bear quest. Talk. Let me talk. Okay, well, this game is broken. Makes sense. Hi, what's up, bro? Collect 100. Easy! Done. I collected 1,000. Give me, can I just speed on these quests? Dandelion field. Easy, bro. Slap. I slap the field and I literally win. Sorry, bro. I've never had this much fun in PS4. Stop talking. Just collect 500 pollen. Swipe. I don't know why I'm doing. I should actually. I want to try something. I didn't even touch anything, and I still. What? I'm a black bear talking to a black bear. Alright. I'm gonna try. I want to try this. Look, frankly uninspired. I have to try Spirit Bear quests. Just because. I forgot you talk a lot. I forgot how much you talk, Jesus Christ. Okay. Mountaintop, dandelion, white flowers, honey tokens. Okay. Wait, we see. Okay, we all know how the cog bear works. He gives you. It's just a pass. Let me try it one more time. No. Please don't hurt one. Okay. Collect. I'm gonna just do white pollen. Let's just give me a precise bee. Oh, a vicious bee, yeah. And this around. Okay. We see how this works. It should be easy to know. I really want to try stuff. This is like the easiest thing. Swipe. Oh, looks like somebody just joined the game for once. Okay. What is that? Mosquito? What the frick? What is that? So there's enemies too. Alright. I can Hey, there's a mosquito! Die! Oh, I'm done. Okay, so you get more calls the more rounds you do. Oh. Go from white flowers bed. I'll just take some. Oh wow, yeah. Alright, yeah. 20 million white pollen. I'll just stay here. Oh, you know what I should have done? Well, actually, I wouldn't even fit in my hive. Get a fuzzy so that it pollinates the field. But it wouldn't fit anyways. I'd have to replace a bee. Okay. Wow, this is so easy. This is a spirit bird quest is more easy than I like. Oh! I don't even know what's happening. Okay, well, I'm done. Dandelion. Oh, I need tokens. Let's just put this down. And just walk around. This is broken. I got gifts from Ohio. Wait, did I equip them? Yeah. I got festive gifts from myself. Alright, well I just realized spirit requests require me to grab stuff. Collect tokens and stuff, so well, I guess they're just a little easier. Mountaintop field, bad. 50 mil. Easiest thing I've ever done. Wee! I'm gonna kill you. As soon as my bees get up there. Oh yeah, I'm gonna. Oh wow, okay. Why do I even try anymore? I don't need to try actually, because this is the test realm. I don't know how long I'm gonna be doing this for, but I want to do this. Oh. Is my honey or pollen instantly converted? It's like it's going down. Barely filling up. Oh my god, this is master. If I ever get to this level, which I probably will in like 70 years, I don't know. Oh my gosh, that's gonna happen. Well, I need honey tokens and sunflower seed tokens. So. Just gonna put this here, and I don't know, collect seeds. Give me seeds. I'm going to. I literally sit here and collect seeds along with honey tokens. I don't care how long it takes. It's gonna take me to take. Because that's how it's making sense. I can't see what's happening. See nothing. I could just change height. But see, I don't want to. Okay, you know what? If I just randomly let's just make all the masks. I already have Gummy Mask and Demon Mask, so let's walk over here. Here it is. It's not my time. It is not my time. So we go back and grab another quest. Okay, well, the spirit bird quests or something else. 1,000 blue pollen. I can just do it from here. Yeah. Give me the silver egg you've been talking about that I've been barely reading. Oh, now you want it from different fields. Okay. Swap. Swap. I saw you guys doing. Swap. Make another moon amulet. See what happens. I'll just replace it because why not? I don't need bond from treats. I already have enough bond. Okay, whatever. Oh, I wonder what happened with that ant challenge. I wonder what happened if I did just reset. Jesus Christ, this looks nice. Hello, Mr. Black Bear. I finished your quest. I got a silver egg. Totally something that I really care about. Okay. I don't know what to do now. I just had the greatest idea of all time. If it if it lets me do this. I'm not gonna do this stuff snap. I wanna save. Can I buy stuff? Can I buy these? Oh, capacity exceeded. Why? Dang it, I can't buy it. Oh, you suck. What are these? I've never seen any of these. But I'm just gonna craft them because I have enough. I have like way too many tickets. I have a lot of tickets. I don't know what to do with that. That is something else. Oh hey, it's Ohio. So, when is it gonna turn nighttime? I'm actually. Why am I running out of things to do? This should not be existing right now. Okay, well, I guess I might as well try and do. Is that the planter of plenty? Okay, well, I guess we might as well kill this guy. Because I know that's better to do. Kill this guy. Oh, Jesus. Okay, yeah. Oh, there they go. They're going the coconut. Just because I'm gonna place down a sprinkler. Oh, wait, I killed him? Oh, I got a star jelly. I got 2 star jellies. Oh. Another star jelly. You know what? I don't even care. Why am I picking this stuff up? I don't need it. I have infinite of everything. I don't want that. I don't know why I'm picking this up. I have infinite, basically. I don't have infinite, but I have a lot of everything. Okay, well, I shouldn't be bored. I'm gonna go do the cog bear because I don't know. Can I buy more stuff? Okay. Mr. Robo Bear, start stage 3. 11 cogs. I'll just collect 300,000 pollen. Give me my bee. Ooh, I'll take a tiny bee. Start round. We can just go right here. Okay, so it's letting me collect bees that I already use bees that I already have. So let's go ahead and just quickly do this. Oh, it's on yellow. Okay. So okay. I think I can buy another one of these. But wait, I can craft multiple. Wait, I can craft multiple? Wait, then where do they go? Do I have them? Oh god. I got robo bats. Yeah, here they are. I have them. Blue pollen. Pest. Ah, glitch drive. Okay, it does the exact same thing. Oh, so then this is just a test right now because I already have everything. I'll do this one because it gives more. I might just grab a spicy bee. I'll just grab all my spicy bees. I need white pollen. So we can go over here. This music is kind of good though, actually. Yo, I can vibe to this. Except for this part. I just need goo, so I'm gonna just run in a circle. Actually, wait. This is easier. I don't have my gummy bee. That's an aphid. Amphid, whatever. Oh my god. Just spam these. Hey you! Where are you? Get out. Get out of goo for this. This is great. I don't care how long I'm recording this for, I'm just gonna do it. I might just do what I want just to let you know that, yeah, I'm doing this. I need more goo. But this is gonna be the final round, I guess I'll just end it. Yo. I don't have my gummy bee. Oh, what did I do? I'm very stupid. Okay, I did it. There we go. Oh, hi, spider. Oh, hi, spider. Alright, whatever. That was fun. It was super fun. It was a great time, everybody. Question, like, oh wow. I'll leave a link, whatever, to the game. Okay, nerds.